Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a NikkiTutorials inspired makeup look. Now I'm just putting on the YSL All Hours foundation, clearly a sample from Sephora because I am not spending $100 unless it's bomb. Like, more than bomb. It has to make my skin look like a diamond. Didn't really have much coverage. I'd say it's a medium. Just spot concealing some more areas with the same foundation. See, you look nice right now, and I'm like, bank account. So now I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like the shade isn't my shade. Kind of brings out my dark circles more. I'm still debating on this, that's why I keep using it. This concealer creases every time so far that I've worn it. I've used 3 different powders with it so far to set it. Don't really know what's going on. Every beauty guru says it's bomb. It's not being bomb, but it could be my under eyes, so gonna keep using it. Let y'all know. And today I'm setting it with the Airspun loose powder using a Real Technique sponge. Just placing it right under the eyes because the Airspun powder doesn't really cover my pores, so I will be using my Ride or Die powder for my pores. I'm doing a little cream contour with the Wet n Wild contour stick. I feel like these only last 6 months. I have to check because now it's really hard to blend these. But I love the color. I'm just bronzing up with the Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Elvis Duran. Now I'm using the Pearlescent Pink by Wet n Wild. Now I'm setting the face with some MAC Fix Plus just to bounce in all the powder because this foundation was not looking well. For highlighter today, I use the Glow Getter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm just going in with my NYX Milk Stick. Now I'm using the Tarte Naturals palette. Just going in with the shade Base Coat. Now I'm just going in with the light orange brown shade that they have in the palette. Bare Minerals Bare Metal palette. I'm going in with the mauve shade and a little bit of the light brown. Just using the dark brown with a pencil brush. I was going for a different shape, so it might look a little odd, the wing coming out like that instead of it going from the crease all the way to the outside. I'm just placing the same dark brown color into my inner corner. I'm using the NYX Lingerie. I will have all the shades down below. Place that into the center of the lid, all the way up into the crease. Then I'm just blending. Every time I add something, I blend just so no harsh lines are visible. Now I'm just using the rose gold shade in the palette, and I'm just wetting that with a little bit of the e.l.f. mist and set. I'm just using that to set the NYX Lingerie that we just had on. Now to put a little bedazzle into this look, I'm using a silver AliExpress glitter. This glitter was like 50 cents, highly recommend. I have extremely sensitive skin and I've never had anything go on my eyes with it. Next, I'm using my NYX Wonder Pencil to open up the eyes, and then curling my lashes for a little bit of mascara. Now I'm just blending the same crease shades without below the eye. Now to highlight the inner corners, I'm taking this lightest golden shade. It was like more white golden. I'm using the Lash Paradise today because I will not be applying any lashes. I'm going to a basketball game and I don't want to be worrying about lashes. This is just the Wet n Wild and Pink Sugar. A little bit of my very attractive Estee Lauder in Pure Color Envy lipstick. Exactly. You don't put so much of Wet n Wild. It's like this. I'm just doing that same. That Wet n Wild one is not so strong. Just comes out like a Barbie nude. Circle lip liner. I'm using the same Jordana lip liner as always. Look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave me a like or a comment.